In this 5 series of Pinoy food hopping in Finland, I will take a closer look on how these Filipino restaurants took on the challenge of sharing a sliver of Filipino culture to the meticulous taste of the Finnish people.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
Helsinki may exude a quiet and orderly nightlife, but if you know your way in this compact city, you'll be surprised how nightlife can be creative, colorful, and appetizing. This young Filipino entrepreneur has faced years of paperwork challenges before putting up his own business.
Parang ang dating is parang ayoko nang bumalik sa restaurant lang para magtrabaho. Kaya naisip ko na mas magandang challenge siguro na magbukas ng sariling business. At dahil sa matagal na nga rin naman ako sa restaurant, ayun lang kumbaga parang alam ko, kaya din na lang ako nag-stay. Naku, kinabahan ako noon at kinakabahan ako actually hanggang ngayon. Dahil napakalaki talaga ng risk in any kind of business we're talking about. Namin na okay, street food was good back then, pero I think for the long run is not really sustainable. It's not sustainable. It's not the greatest idea. So binago ko yung idea at ito yung nakita namin kasi nag-travel kami sa Spain kasama yung wife ko, kasama yung family. Tapos na mahilig din naman ako sa tapas talaga and I love them. Tapos pansin namin ng wife ko na hey, this is something na hindi pa actually nagagawa at ito ay wala masyado sa Finland. Kaya sabi namin, why not combine them together para ba just to have fun with it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
That never stopped him from believing that his peculiar concept might get a bite from the Finnish locals.
I would say na okay, dahil Pilipino pa rin naman tayo sa bahay, nagluluto ko palagi ng mga Filipino food. At the same time, we love hanging out in bars like these and mahilig din kami sa mga tapas. Kaya inano ko lang is kinumbine ko lang siya together to do something na yung may enjoy ko ba.
His understanding of the Finnish people comes from his own experience as a young Filipino kid who came here to immigrate along with his family.
Pero ano lang doon is meron kami na pulutan style which is actually ang pinaka staple na dish namin is one of the best seller is yung Filipinas planter. Kinumbine namin yung street food pulutan sa Pilipinas sa isang planter. Yes, meron siyang banana leaf as into para bang ibigay yung idea na ganito yung ginagawa namin sa Pilipinas as if we're doing boodle fight.
Correct.
So para siyang mini boodle fight platter. Meron siyang sisig, meron siyang fish balls, meron siyang Filipino barbecue, meron siyang longganisa, at garlic fried rice. Kaya yung isa sa mga pinaka-nagugustuhan talaga ng mga customer dito. Talagang gustong-gusto nila yun. Kasi yun yung something na hindi pa nila talaga natitikman kahit saan.
There is a long historical explanation of the Finns' relationship with alcohol, but to simplify everything, the cold weather has something to do with it. Also, that doesn't mean they consume alcohol like sponges. They just know how to enjoy the moment amidst the cold weather. But for Platito, nightlife is not just about getting tipsy and all drunk. It is about enjoying food and having that needed conversation after a hard day's work. Platito may be a self-description of the place as it is small and compact. He would continue giving big servings of Filipino hospitality and pulutan tastes to his Finn customers.
So I'm just doing it one at a time and let's see kung ano mangyari sa future. Pero of course, I mean, in hopes, praying for better future for Platito. Kasi naniniwala ako na nakabuo kami ng hindi lang na maliit na pub, local pub. I think as much as other customers have told us. Now we actually made a brand.
It's really good.
Yeah.
No, I haven't had it before.
I love it.
Mga Pilipino kumakain ng buffet kasi nga yung sa value ng money kasi syempre pag nagbayad ka ng let's say mga 10, 11, 12 euros parang yung iba siguro nagko-convert pa rin na yung marami sila dapat nakakain.
Oo, kasi paano sinasabi nila ang mga Finnish ko parang small portion.
Small portions.
Pero ang Pinay talaga
Oo, syempre.
mas big yung kailangan sa